Hi. Oh my god, so Scarlett's birthday is in 3 days, but we're doing her party on the Sunday, so the 5th, but her birthday is June 6th. So, and she's turning 5. I don't know where time is going with her. But so I'm just getting ready for all of that, and we have a huge surprise me and Sam have been keeping. We are getting a puppy. It's been the hardest to keep a secret from Scarlett, of course, because she knows and listens to everything I say. She watches everything I do. She's like my best friend, so it's so hard to keep a secret from her, and there's this excitement. I love dogs so much. I love animals so much. I'm already in love with him, so yes, he's a boy. And he's a Cane Corso breed, which is an Italian Mastiff. So he's gonna be big. So, yeah, we're gonna surprise Scarlett tomorrow, which is Saturday, the day before her party, because he just turned 8 weeks a few days ago. So he's ready to be picked up, and it's just been crazy trying to get everything ready and get everything ready for her party and keeping things a secret. We've been getting all these packages, and she just thinks everything is her present, and I hope she's not disappointed that not every box is her present, because there's like 10. But I think this is the best present ever. It's a puppy, and we're gonna love him, and she's gonna love him so much. She loves dogs. My dad has 3 dogs, and she's obsessed. So I'm going to record as much as I could remember to record, just so we could keep it and document and have for memories, like always. Yeah, so what I also want to record is that even though I'm vegan, which is so contradictory, the puppy is not going to be vegan. He is going to be actually on a raw meat diet. So I went to Wally World today, which is Walmart, and it's gonna be really disgusting to do this. This lighting is terrible. Chicken liver. That's so gross. I feel gross. I should put on gloves when I'm touching this, because I'll probably throw up. But I haven't eaten meat in 10-11 years. And then all this ground beef for him. You know what, I maybe could talk about it in another video if anyone is ever interested in why I'm doing this. He is a big breed. He's gonna be huge, and I just think, I think humans, we're not supposed to eat meat, and I feel great. I feel so healthy. I think that dogs, if you look biologically, can't say the word. They are supposed to be, like, you could look at teeth, like you could tell that dogs have canine teeth, so that means, of course, historically, that they're supposed to eat meat because of their teeth are sharp to chew on meat. And the humans, we don't. We have the flat ones, and that is meant to be to chew on vegetables, vegetation, and all that. But anyways, we don't need to go there. Yeah, this is gonna be a crazy journey, but so exciting and filled with happiness and joy. And I'm gonna record her whole birthday. So please keep watching if you want to see Scarlett get surprised tomorrow with the puppy. We were supposed to meet the lady earlier on Wednesday, and I wanted to surprise Scarlett when we picked her up from daycare, but the lady couldn't meet on that day, so now we're doing it on the weekend. So she's gonna come with us, so, which is fun. We have to drive like 2 hours, but okay. Please like the video, subscribe, and watch Scarlett's surprise. Okay, it's the morning of. Scarlett's awake, that's why I'm whispering. I just worked out, and it's the morning. We're gonna go get the puppy. I'm excited.
Now make a U-turn if possible.
Want fishies for your birthday?
I want a dog. And a fish and a cat.
Now make
And a horse?
U-turn if possible.
Yes.
And a pig?
I don't think we can get a dog, baby.
And a goat?
No.
We can get a fish.
How about
but
an elephant?
I don't think we can get a dog.
Daddy says we can't get a dog.
Because it's the fish will just stay in the bowl. The dog will go everywhere.
See you later.
Bye.
Okay, we made it to Bakersfield. And we're gonna get a chinchilla. Are you excited? Yeah.
For
What
my
are you
life.
recording?
Scar, what are we getting at the pet store?
A chilla?
Fish?
Chilla?
No, a chilla.
Our lives are gonna change.
How you guys doing?
Scarlett's mom is so confused. Can you not like see so far?
No, this is a good angle.
Oh my god.
Wait a minute. Do I keep recording or not yet? We should meet them first and say hi.
Yeah, you can stop.
Hi.
Hi.
Are you Jennifer? Oh, I'm sorry.
Okay, we went to the wrong car. How embarrassing. Oh my god.
Scarlett, say hi real quick. Hello.
You're not Jennifer, right? Yes, I am.
Oh my god.
This is your big baby.
Oh my god. Oh my
He's
god.
one of the biggest in the litter.
Are you serious? Sorry, do you mind if you're in the video? Okay.
So soft. Baby, he's gonna be ours.
This is your new dog, baby. Give it a hug. How big? He's so big. Hi. I know, like it's like a teddy bear.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh
He's not a
my.
barker. He's really just a mellow, chill puppy.
Wow. Is that how Cane Corsos are?
Most of them are.
Yeah.
Some
Look
can
at
be a
these
little bit more
bars.
vocal than others.
This one, yeah, this one didn't even like jump or.
Oh my god.
It's like a big bear. Do you love him?
Yes.
We
such
have a
surprise.
name.
I'm like, you're gonna
What
get
name are you guys?
Simba.
Oh.
Yeah.
Nice.
Baby, that's your Simba.
Favorite name, and we're all S's. We're so
Oh, okay.
cheesy, but.
Me and my husband are all J's with our kids.
Oh, really? Aw.
This is Simba. Simba.
And when do
baby.
we take off the band-aid?
So I just taped them right now. That's just to help his ears stand.
Is that how?
Oh,
So just,
okay.
it's just regular cloth tape. I use this one. You can get it at the store. So if it comes off,
Okay.
all you do is just tape it back up at the tip.
Oh, okay.
How do you feel, babe?
I only cried one time in happiness was when I had her.
Oh.
Can I have a picture?
Yeah. Hold on. Can I stop the recording?
Yes.
Okay. Oh my goodness.
Okay, let's not overwhelm him. This is his new family. Simba.
Scarlett, can you take a picture?
You're not posting anything yet, right?
Oh, they're just. Hey Simba, I have some
He
gifts
is
for you.
Perfect.
Aww.
Look at him.
He likes me.
Oh.
He is the most perfect dog.
Or you can sleep in his bed.
He has his own bed.
Wait, what?
Look how her eyes look like colored.
Mine?
What do we do now? Simba's first time at the store. Look at him. He's so
He's just
happy.
the calmest dog ever.
Scar, how do you feel?
What do you want, Bobby? Any of these toys?
How cute is this? Not rainbow though, huh?
Okay. He's smelling. Okay.
Oh, I didn't get the face. Too busy looking at him.
This.
It's big. No, it's very warm. Any of these?
This.
You have Piggy?
Give him this.
He's like weirdly calm.
Like too calm, huh?
Yeah.
Like I'm like scared. Is he a fake dog?
Are you real? Simba. We can make him a name tag. Don't they have that here?
Yeah, we can do that. Hold on.
I hope so. This first raw meal I made for him.
And me turn him blueberries.
You love it? Let him eat. Let him eat.
We'll give him space, baby.
I'm gonna make you mine, okay? Let's see.
Hello. Wait, didn't we just get a dog? Where is he?
Where?
Right there! Our first time out with him.
We were gonna sit outside, but we ended up sitting inside. It's hot.
He's too adorable to say no to.
I even wash my hands so well.
Hi.
We're back in Fresno.
Yeah, and let Simba to walk at our home.
Yeah, he gets to see his home.
Yeah.
He's just been sleeping.
See? Want to see video? Daddy want to see video.
That's you, handsome.
That's you, handsome.
Look how cute.
Look, our puppy.
Big mouth.
We didn't see our puppy yet, but we saw. But didn't see.
Oh my god. That's the most sounding it's ever made.
Oh, I
Okay.
just love him.
See you at home.
Yeah, we see at home. Mommy, I want to take the baby at home. Let him walk.
Yeah, we will.
Bye. Subscribe to our channel.
Hello.
Welcome home.
Hey.
This is our home. It's small, but I promise we'll get a bigger one soon. Before you
Let
get big.
him walk.
Look at him. He's just like looking around.
Let him
Look at
walk.
my tongue.
Simba.
You ready, mister? You ready? I can't believe this is real.
I
Wait,
know.
we were supposed to take our shoes off outside. Did you touch the other dog?
You
Did you?
did a little bit. You should wash your hands first, baby.
No.
Ready, mister? This is your home. Don't go peeing everywhere. This is your home.
So big already. Okay.
I'm scared he's gonna pee. Look, here he looks muscular.
He does?
I see your tail wagging. Your booty. This is why I wanted the floor so clean, because he's gonna get everything off the ground. Where are you going? You scared him. You scared him.
Him say,
Look at him. He's like, where am I?
He's cute. He's curious then.
What's that for?
Let's see.
Doing an unboxing.
Your first unboxing, Simba.
What is it? Daddy?
Simba, check this out.
Simba.
It's okay. It's okay. He just
Let him-
got-
Let him look around.
Oh, he was running towards the car. That's the first time I've seen him run. This is sticky, Sam.
Sorry.
He's so cute.
Good job.
Unpack ASAP. What the heck?
Oh my god. Intense vacuum pack. Ah.
That's why you have to.
Where is he?
Hey, right here, baby.
Oh.
What are you gonna say, baby?
I think it's gonna like pop open. Be careful. What's behind you?
That's bad.
Oh, it's big. You got a big bed, mister. Look.
Let me
This
move
is
that.
for you. Puppy.
Move this really quick, okay?
Simba. Simba.
Oh, I saw him trying to get your shoe already.
Aww.
You
So shy.
just want to be right there.
Simba. Simba. Simba.
God, it is big.
The bed?
Yeah.
This is
Simba.
your bed. Look, right here.
Simba. Want to lay here? This is your bed.
There
Oh,
you go.
yay, isn't it, Sal? Come here.
Let me sleep with you. Stop. Simba. Simba.
He's still learning his name. He doesn't know. Maybe they were calling him something else over there.
Simba.
He'll learn.
Simba. Come
Look how big this is.
on. Simba. Simba.
Don't talk to him like that.
Simba.
Look, he wants your food. He could hop on that table and grab food. Now we know not to leave food there. Okay. What are you doing, mister?
He doesn't like the flash.
I'm sorry, it just turned on automatically.
Can I
So
move
dark
this?
in here. Aw, so this is our pretty water bowl. Where did we get this from, Chewy?
Mm-hmm.
This is nice.
That matches his energy.
High maintenance with the gold and subtle with the black.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. How nice. Oh my gosh. He's at home. He's gonna stay home. He doesn't need the on him.
It looks like on the okay.
Simba.
It's like, I don't know.
I'm on it. Puppy. Puppy. You got that.
His first toy.
Hey, you like it?
Look at this little plastic thing on here. Wow.
Hmm. He liked it.
We have this toy. This is the poop bag. This is a treat for later.
You got this toy too?
Can you
This
hold this
toy.
one? I'll shove it in.
I like this.
Little basket.
I like that.
Is this his basket, like when he where he put his toys?
Yeah, I want a bigger one.
And we got this. And these toys.
My puppy.
Okay, I'm gonna close out this video. Say hello to the puppy. Welcome home.
He's all settled in.
We'll make lots of videos with the puppy. Now we're just gonna enjoy him here. Okay,
Wash my hands.
bye-bye.
Bye.
Thank
Say
you for
bye-bye. Look.
watching.
Look over there.
Bye.
He's always looking the other way.
Bye bye.
Hmm?